Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to Tech Help, guys. So today I'm going to show you how to connect or how to use your phone as your camera through OBS. So one of the ways to do this is through IP webcam. So you want to download this on your phone, and once you have downloaded it, either iPhone or Apple or Android, this would work. Once you've downloaded it, when you open the camera portion, you can see here an HTTP link. So you want to copy that and then head over to OBS. On the bottom of the sources, click the arrow sign or the plus sign button rather. Select browser and add here, let's say, phone as camera. From here, you can now type in the browser source. Then once you've typed in the browser source, click OK. Your screen should pop up here where the browser source is. Something like this. Browser source. Click on this here. So it should look like that. Exactly like this. Okay. And now, let's delete this first. Another way to do this is by using WEBCAM. So WEBCAM has been around for a very long time. It's phone as a webcam. So you can use your phone, turn it into a webcam for Zoom, Discord, and even OBS. But the best part about WEBCAM, apart from the fact that you connect via Wi-Fi, you can also connect it via USB port. So if you have a USB to Type-C or USB to Apple port, then that would be very helpful. And then scroll down here on their main website and you can already download the OBS plugin. This makes it definitely a lot easier because once you open this, automatically it's linked to your OBS and you won't have any problems whatsoever connecting your phone to OBS. And that's it. Hopefully we were able to help you out on this. If we did, please, of course, do not forget to hit the like and the subscribe button and follow us for more videos only here on Tech Help Guy.